In this video, I'm going to tell you about the next question, that is fifth number, in which the question is describe how data are shared by function in procedure-oriented program. So, the firstly, in procedure-oriented program, data can be shared among functions mainly through global variables and parameter passing. So, the first one I'm going to discuss global variables. Global variables are declared outside any functions, usually at the top of the program. They are accessible by all functions in the program, and they are used when multiple functions need to read or modify the same data. An example in C, we have int counter equals to 0. That is the global variable here that has been uh, declared outside the function, and we are just taking a function void increment and counter plus plus. Then another one in which we void display and print up centrality and then counter. So there is a risk of uh, any function can accidentally change the value, which may lead to bugs or unintended behavior. So for this, we will see how does this works. So firstly, going to the VS Code where we will see. So here we go. So in this question, we have the given question here, and in which firstly we have int count equals to 0. We have initialized a global variable, and we have taken a function, then another function. And when we print this function, we will what we're going to see here is counter value that is equals to 2 here. Means that the global variable which you initialize at 0 has now changed to 2. So there is that the risk which we have just got, that the global variable can be changed and it can also be modified. So this is all the problem in this global or on the next parameter parsing. So in this we see function receive data as arguments, and this makes data transfer split and reduces hidden data manipulation. Example and see. So void add int a int b, then int sum equals to a plus b, and we directly print f percentile and sum. We call the sum. So in the main, we see int main at 5 comma 3, passing data to function return 0. So here what we are going to see. So let's see in the VS Code. In the VS Code, we are going to see that we have the given code here, and on running this, what we are going to get, that is we are going to get this one. So void, we are going to get 8 here. So in this, we are not going to put here, we have passed the data to function, and in the void given function, we have not initialized anything, just we have given a int a and int b, and after that we have just added both of them and then call this. So the main function, we have just passed the data directly, so we get the value as 8 here. So why parameter parsing is safer here? Because global variables can accidentally change value, causing error, and parsing parameters keeps data flow clearer and controlled, which reduces bugs. In in which we see that parameter parsing, why it's safer is that because we are going to initialize it, not initialize it, we are going to directly give the value in the parameter, and we are going to get our result directly there. So that was all about this, and now we're going to discuss its the both of them. What are uh, their differences. So the first one in the global variables, the scope is entire program, and in the entire program you can use this. The safety is very low since the shared state across functions that can be changed. And in the parameter parsing we see it is function level, means we just use in the for any given function we can use that variables, and the safety is very high because on other function cannot use this, because we are going to use the function, use that parameter, uh, means that variable. You is going to use that in directly in the parameter, so other cannot access it. So there is the high safety, and the control data exchange is also there. The local variables, we say it is used within a function also, and but not in this. Safety is also very high temporarily. The use of local variables are temporarily isolated and computation. So that is all about the fifth question, in which we see that how the funds how the functions share data in procedure programming. So thank you.